Hi and welcome to Marketing Mysteries. My name is CM Manjunath. In this video, you're going to learn how to add subtitles to your videos from scratch. We are going to hard code subtitles using your VLC Media Player, and it's going to be amazing. So let's get started. For this, I'm going to use a tool, an online tool called Headliner.app. It's a free web app. You can sign up using your email address. Once you log in, you're going to get a bunch of widgets. We are interested in video transcription. I'm going to click on that. We are offered three options right here: landscape, square, or portrait. Now, if you want your video to be uploaded to YouTube or other websites, this landscape mode would be ideal. Square would be good for Facebook and Instagram or Twitter if you want to upload your videos on those platforms. On the other hand, you could use the portrait mode if you're using Snapchat. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to use the landscape mode because this is going to go on the YouTube video. And then it's asking me to choose a file and upload. I'm going to click on that and pick a video. And the name of the video file is Day 1 Profile Optimization. Okay, and the file name holds some significance. That's the reason I'm telling you now. So let's go ahead. Video selected. I'm going to click on next. It's going to load quickly. And then I'll click on the create project. Now, this video that I'm uploading is about 29 minutes and 10 seconds long. It's a really lengthy video. It's going to take a little time to upload and process. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this screen where I've already uploaded the video and it's already processed the subtitles for me. Now, you see, Headliner app is in its infancy. Google API is used by Headliner app to convert the voice to text. It's not 100% accurate. It's anywhere between 40 and 50%. But it's a great place to start. I guarantee you that for generating your subtitles. What I do is I play certain segments of the video right here, and then I can edit the subtitle right here. Okay. Now once that is done, once all these subtitles are edited and you're happy with what you have, you will have to click on this button that says export. On Headliner app, they currently only support videos that are under 10 minutes long. Mine is a 29 minutes 10 seconds long video. Okay, so obviously this is not going to be exportable. So what do? I have a little hack here that can help you, and that's what I'm going to show you. Under transcript tab, you see captions. Right next to captions, there is a download button. It's going to help us download the captions. So I'm going to click on the download button. When I do that, it's going to ask me to download this transcript file. It says Headliner transcript. I leave it at that. Right here under save as type, it says VTT file. I'm going to save it right now. I'll tell you what a VTT file is. A .vtt extension, file extension, stands for Video Text Tracks. Okay, this is one type of a file format for subtitles. But for our purposes, I'm going to help you hard code these subtitles using VLC Media Player. In order to do that, we cannot use the .vtt extension. We'll have to use something called .srt extension. Okay, and SRT stands for sub-rips text. Okay, so in order to convert the VTT file extension to SRT, we are going to use this website called subtitletools.com/convert to SRT online. I'm going to leave a link to this web page on the description below, so definitely check it out. You can just go to this page, add your VTT file, which is right here. It says Headliner transcript. I'm going to choose that and then click on convert to SRT. So I'm going to click on the download. Okay, now while I download, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the exact same name as my video file. Okay, I'm going to call this Day 1 Profile Optimization, and as you can see, the file type is SRT, which is great for us. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so we are done with the first two steps, which is to generate the subtitles. download that as a VTT format. And then the second step was converting that .vtt file format to SRT, which means we're just one step away from ensuring that our video is hard-coded with the subtitles that we want. In order to do this, make sure you have the latest version of VLC Media Player. It's very easy. Just go Google VLC Media Player. You should be able to download it. It's absolutely free as well. So on VLC Media Player, I'm going to click on the media, and then I'm going to go to this option that says stream. Let's click on stream. I'm going to show you from scratch. So let's click on add. You will see this box empty, file selection. I'm going to click on add and then choose that exact same media file. It says day one profile optimization. I'm going to click on that, choose that. Once it's selected, there is an option use a subtitle file. Do not use this option. Do not click here. Just click on stream. Now this is where it's just confirming if your source is correct. Of course it is right. I'm going to click on next. This is where it's asking us to choose a destination file where VLC Media Player will embed the subtitle on the video, and it's going to save as a different file. So I'm going to add, click on add button, browse, and here on this exact same location on the same folder, I'm going to give it a new name for this file, and I'm going to call this day one profile optimization with subtitles or subs. Okay, I'm just going to add that. There we go, and then click on next. Okay, here it's important for you to ensure that this is checked. It is activate transcoding, and here by default it will be video-h.265. Leave it the way it is. Go to video codec. Ensure this is unchecked. Okay, this needs to be unchecked, and by default it will be H265. Audio codec needs to have both of the checkboxes checked, so we are going to keep the original audio track. The last step is to ensure subtitles are checked as well as overlay subtitles on the video. Both need to be checked. I'll click on save, and that's it. We're going to click on next. This is good to go, and then I'm going to click on stream. Now when you do that, just like the video plays, it is going to process this. It's going to embed the subtitle on that video. Okay, so it's going to take the exact same time as the video is, right? So if it's a 29-minute video, obviously it's going to take 29 minutes as well. Okay, so be patient at this point. Once we are done with this, you should be able to see your video with the subtitle. I paused the video for a little bit so that VLC Media Player could process the hard coding of the subtitles on the video. Okay, now it's complete. It's been successfully done. If I play the video, you're going to see that subtitle appears on top of the video, right? So that's how it is done. Today you've learned 3 things. Number 1, using a very cool web app called Headliner.app. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so check it out. Use that to generate subtitles for your videos. You also learn to download the captions if it's a really lengthy video, more than 10 minutes. We downloaded that as a .vtt file extension. We used another cool website to convert the .vtt file to a .srt file. Again, I'm going to leave a link to that website as well in the description, so check it out. And finally, we use the .srt file on VLC Media Player, hard-coded that on the video. So those are the 3 things you've learned. Hopefully, it is of some use to you. If you think this video is going to help somebody you know, please feel free to share this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you did not like it, give it a thumbs down and tell me what you did not like so that I can improve from the next video on. Alright, and if you find these tips and techniques useful for your marketing purposes, consider subscribing to the channel. Hopefully you'll get a lot of value. Okay, and apart from that, I have a quick question for you. Do you think as marketers, having subtitles on the video is needed? Is it really important? I truly believe adding subtitles to the videos really adds value because users can read and understand and comprehend what is going on the screen. So it's going to be really good is what I think. What do you think? Leave your comment, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to read them. So thanks very much. My name is CM Manjunath and this is Marketing Mysteries. Have a good one.